Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will going to focus on and or and not operator in MySQL, and we will also going to focus on order by keyword, in MySQL. So and operator display the record if all the conditions separated by and are true. The or operator display the record if any of the conditions separated by or is true, and the not operator display the record if the conditions is not true. We will going to see that practically how it works in MySQL. So without any further delay, let's come to MySQL application. So here we have a customer table you can see on my screen, right? So we want to execute a AND statement over here. So how can we do that? Suppose we want to filter a country, where the city is, Luleå in this case, right? So we want to filter a country Sweden where the city is Luleå, right? So how can we do that? So I'll just write a syntax for this one. So this is a simple statement. Select star from customer means we want to select all the record from the customer table. Where is, we want to filter the record, right? So that's why we use a where clause. So where the country is equal to Sweden and the city is equal to Luleå. So if I execute this statement, you can see that we are getting one record, that is filtering, right? So this is the AND statement that we are using. Now we will move on to OR operator, right? So as I said, the OR operator, what it says that the OR operator display a record if any of the conditions separated by OR is true, right? So it means that both this, any of these two should fulfill the condition, then it will filter the record. So the select star from customer means select all the record from customer table where city is equal to Berlin or city is equal to London. If any of this condition will be fulfilled, then our record will be filtered out. So if I execute this statement, you can see that the city Berlin and London has been selected over here. The two record we can see it over here, right? Now we will see one more example for OR statement, right? So if I take this example, select star from customer where the country is Germany or the country is equal to Sweden. So here we were looking at the city as a column, right? But now we want the another column over here, the country column, right? So this is another example. If I execute this one, you can see that we can see the two records again. The country, the Germany and Sweden both has been filtered out, right? So this is a OR operator. Now we will focus on the NOT operator. Okay. So what is a NOT operator over here? It's saying that the NOT operator display a record if the condition is not true. Okay. So here I'll show you the practically what I mean to say. So I'll just take the syntax for this one. So the syntax is select star from customer. Star means select all the record from customer table where not. So we have to use after where we have to use not country. Country is a column name is equal to Mexico. So we want to filter out the record where the country is not equal to Mexico. So it will filter out any other record other than Mexico. So if I execute this statement, I can see I don't see Mexico over here. We see other than all the record other than Mexico over here. So that is a NOT operator over here, right? So so this is like a separate separate and or and not operator we have used separately, but there might be a cases wherein you have to use this operator with a combination of each other, right? So combining and or not operator, we will see this also as an example, right? So if I take for example this syntax, select start from customer where country is equal to Mexico and we are using the bracket over here, right? So city is equal to Mexico or city is equal to London, right? So if I execute this statement, right, what I can see is I am instructing that select star from the customer where the country is equal to Mexico. So this is my first condition, okay? And the city equals to Mexico DF or London, right? So this condition is fulfilling, right? Mexico DF, because or condition is either this should be fulfilled or this should be fulfilled. So and operator is both should be fulfilled. but here we are using or. That's why the Mexico DF, is the one of the condition that is getting fulfilled. So that's why we can see these two record. So this is how we can use, combining, the and or not operator. So we'll see one more example for this one, the combination of these three operators. So if I take this one, right, and if I execute this statement syntax, so what I'm saying, select star from customer where not, okay, country is equal to Germany and not country is equal to USA. Okay, so other than Germany and USA, we want all the record. So you won't see Germany and USA in the country column, except to that you can see any other, all the records over here. So if I execute this statement, I think I have already executed it. Right. So we don't see the USA and Germany over here. Other than Germany and USA, we can see all the record over here. Right. Now we will quickly move on to order by statement. So order by statement is nothing but you want to sort the record, right, in the ascending and descending order, right? As we see over here, the order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. The order by keyword sort the record in ascending order by default. Okay, so MySQL is by default sorting the record in ascending order. If you are not mentioning ASC, that is ascending, or DESC, that is descending, right? But if you are putting DESC, it means that you want to sort the record in a descending order, right? So why you want to do the, why you want to sort the record in descending order? Mostly if you are working in, in the manufacturing organization and you want to analyze the sales figure, so definitely you will going to sort, by the descending order, because you want to see the top sale on the top, on the top row. That's why this descending order is being used, in the industry. So now we will practically see how we can do that, right? So if I take this, if I'll take a simple statement over here, right? The simple syntax. So I'm just saying select star from customer, order by country, right? So if I execute this one, right? So here I am sorting this in ascending order. Germany is because G is, before M, and then Sweden and UK. So we are not mentioning any ascending and descending over here. So by default, it will sort my result in ascending order, right? So we will also see the example of descending. So I'll take a similar example and I'll put descending over here, right? DESC, right? This is meaning descending, right? So this is a short form of descending. So select star from customer, order by country, country is your column name, and descending, that you are instructing to sort in a descending order. So if I execute this statement, you can see that the UK is first, right? And it is sorted in descending order, right? Now, what we want to do in the next statement is select all the customer from customer table sorted by country and customer name column. This means that it order by country, but if some row have the same country, it order them by the customer name. Okay. For example, if I execute this table, if I show you this table, right? Here, Mexico, we have a two time, right? So how it will sort this Mexico, right? So it will go and check the customer name and it will sort by the customer name. Okay. But whatever is like, it's not a same name, it will sort as per the country name. I hope you got it. Now I'll show you the syntax for this one. So if I execute this one, select star from customer, order by country. So first it will sort by this country in ascending order. And if there is a same record, Mexico is two time, then it will refer the customer name column and it will sort as per that. Okay. So if I execute this statement, right, you can see the Germany, Mexico. So it is sorting this one, first, Anna and Antino, right? So this is how you can, do the sorting. Now the another condition, in front of another scenario that we have is select all the customer from customer table, sorted ascending by the country and descending by the customer name column. So if you want to use both ascending and descending in the same syntax, you can do that, right? So if I show you the syntax for that, what I'll do is I'll take this syntax So here I'm saying select star from customer table, order by country. Okay, as a ascending, ASE is ascending, and customer name it's descending. So here I'm using both the uh, instructions, ascending and descending. So if you can see that order by country, so Germany, Mexico, Sweden. So here we want the customer name as a descending. So before that you must see that the Anna was first, right? Now the Antonio, because it is sorting in a descending order, right? If your this one is same, right? So I hope you understood the logic of order by statement and or and not operator over here. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. It will motivate us to make more and more video. Okay, thank you so much for watching.